In this video, I will show you how to create a Ghibli-style image using ChatGPT. First, go to the ChatGPT website or open the ChatGPT app on your phone. The steps are the same on all devices. Make sure you're logged into your account. You do not need any subscription because this method is completely free. Look below the text box and you will see some options. These are the ChatGPT model settings. From here, select the Create Image option. This tells the AI that we want to generate an image. Now, type your prompt. To create a Ghibli-style image, start your prompt with the words Ghibli-style animation. Then, describe what you want to see. For example, I will type Ghibli-style animation, a young man wearing casual clothes staring at a starry night sky with planets in the distance. Once your prompt is ready, press Send. ChatGPT will now begin generating your image. If you are on a mobile device, you need to keep the app open while the image is being created. If you are on a computer, you can do other tasks while it generates. The process may take some time depending on how detailed your prompt is. Once it is done, you will see your Ghibli-style image. I now have this beautiful image of a boy looking at a starry night sky. Click on the image to make it bigger. You will see a text box below the image. Here, you can type new instructions to edit the image using AI. You can add things or remove things from the image. For example, I will ask it to remove the planets from the image. I type my request and press Send. Now the AI will edit the image. When it finishes, you can see the planets are gone and the result looks great. To save the image, click the download button in the corner of the screen, and that is it. That's how you can create a Ghibli-style image using ChatGPT.